If you were impacted by Washington's historic flooding, some new relief is heading your way. The state just announced $2.5 million in extra funding to help families right now as you wait for FEMA assistance. This is happening as disaster assistance centers open up across the region. They're basically one-stop shops where you can get help with housing, food, filing insurance claims, filling out your damage surveys, and even applying for that new financial aid. We want to make this as easy for you as possible, so all you have to do to get the full list of the ways to apply for those new grants is text the word AID, that's AID, to the number 206-448-4545, and that list will come straight to your phone. I've also got that information as well as the list of disaster assistance centers in the region on our website in my article on king5.com and on the King 5 app. Remember, these resources are here for you right now as so many families look to recover from this historic flooding.